This is the Woodford RK-14/17 MH wheel handle repair kit. This kit will work for the models 14, 17, 22, the C22, and the 101 Woodford faucets. So on the front of the package, it'll show what it'll come with. In this case, it's just that wheel handle and the screw for the handle. So we'll go ahead and get them out of the package here. As you can see, that screw for the handle is a brass screw with a flathead kind of bit there on the head. And then on the handle here, you'll see those splines there at the end where the stem will connect. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of both. Starting with the handle, we'll measure complete diameter of the base of the handle, and that'll measure just shy of 2 inches. And then we can measure this end here with the splines. Get an outside diameter of right about 1/2 inch. And then we'll measure the handle screw as well. And from the head to the end of the thread, measures just shy of 1 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-14/17 wheel handle repair kit.